Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are sharing beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a skill passed down through generations. It is a symbol of creativity. Hand embroidery designs can be simple or detailed. Some beautiful simple designs are great for daily use. Detailed designs are perfect for special occasions. Both styles are beautiful in their own way. Floral embroidery is very common. Roses, leaves and vines look elegant. These designs are perfect for women's clothing. They give a soft and feminine touch. Geometric embroidery designs are also popular. They look neat and modern. These designs are often used on cushion covers. They add style to home decor. Hand embroidery look beautiful on borders, necklines and sleeves. Look elegant with embroidery. Even small designs can make a big difference. Embroidery adds charm to simple outfit. Color combinations are very important. Soft colors look calm and elegant. Bright colors look festive and joyful. Mixing colors carefully makes designs stand out. Hand embroidery takes time and practice. This makes the final piece very special. Hand embroidery work always has value. Embroidery is perfect for beginners and experts. You can start with small designs, slowly move to beginner projects. Practice helps improve stitching skills. Caring for hand embroidery is important. Always wash gently by hand. Do not twist or fabric. Dry it flat to keep designs safe. In conclusion, hand embroidery designs are beautiful and meaningful. They add elegance to clothing and home items. They show creativity and tradition. Hand embroidery is truly a timeless art. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas. You can enjoy my videos. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to like, share and subscribe. You can see my ideas. You can enjoy my videos. These designs are beautiful and trendy. Every design is different, one another beautiful and attractive. Mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.